Okay, if you guys are like me, you just want to know, am I getting a check? Who's getting a check? And most of my subscribers, if you're pipeliners, you're not going to get a check. Just forget it. If you got a small amount last time, you're not going to get anything this time. And I'm going to read this to you. And I'm not going to read it word for word. I'm going to just go through it really fast. And just, I'm going to let you know if you're going to get a check or not. And we're going to do some calculations here. It says right here, who gets the $600 checks? The checks will represent half the amount that you got the last time, which was the CARES Act. Everybody got $1,200. Now they changed it to $600. It says, however, under the bill passed by Congress this month, one group of people will receive more money in the second round of stimulus checks than the first. Dependent children who will receive the same $600 checks as adults, up from the $500 they received the last time under the CARES Act. Single people earning up to $75,000 will receive $600. So if you're single, you earn up to $75,000, you'll receive $600. While married couples will receive, with earnings up to $150,000, will receive 6 times 2, $1,200. Okay. The second round of checks will have the same type of income phase outs as the CARES Act, with the stimulus check payments reduced to earnings above $75,000 per single parent and $150,000 per married couples. So it's saying anything you make over 75,000, we're gonna talk about a single person. Anything you make over $75,000, they're gonna reduce it $5 per $100. We're gonna do some calculations here. It's pretty simple. The amount of payment individuals receive would be reduced by $5 for every $100 of income earned above their threshold. Say for instance, here go how it works. The second stimulus check will be phased out entirely, singling people earning $87,000. So if you're a single person, you make $87,000, you get zero, you get nothing. So what they doing is taking 600 divided by 5, which is 120, and you take 120 times 100, that's $12,000. So you take 12,000 plus 75,000 is $87,000. $87,000. So if you make $87,000 as a single person, you get zero. But if you make $86,900, you'll get a $5 check. So if you make $86,000, you'll get a $50 check. That's how that works. So, so if you're making $86,000, they give you a $50 check. But they got a calculator here. And we'll talk about dependents. This who benefits right here, people who have dependents. But you got to read under here, the dependent has to be under the age of 17. So if you have a senior that is 17 years old, they don't qualify. That's sad. So anybody's in college, you got dependents that are in college, you don't get anything for them. So if you got 10 dependents under 17 years old, so you go 10 times 600, you get $6,000. So if you got 30 kids, you're going to get paid. What's that 30? Well, you won't have 30. It's just a joke. But if you got 10 kids under the age of 17, you're going to get $6,000. So let's go to this calculator. I'm going to just show you what it's doing. We're going to click on it. Okay, here you go. This calculator right here. Okay, let's say, hey, you filed at 19. Yes. We're going to file single. Yes. How many kids? We're going to say 0. They don't have any kids. Income. Let's click on income. Let's say 86,900. You remember I told you 86,000? There you go. You get $5 right there. That's how much your check going to be. So if you got 8,600, you're going to get $50 right here. Huh. So say for instance, you got 87. There you go. You get nothing. 87,000. So I'm sorry, pipeliners out there. If you made over 87,000 as a single person, you don't get anything. But say, hey, what if you got 2 dependents? You're going to get $1,200. Huh. What if you got 10 dependents? You remember? We got $6,000. Let's do a joke. Somebody got 30 kids. They're going to get $18,000. There you go. And this act is different now. You know, before you could be here illegally on this one right here, and your parents still get $600 per person. When the CARES Act didn't allow that. So who's benefiting from this are people with a lot of kids, us people working. If you're in the pipeline business, you know, a lot of us make over that $87,000, especially single people. If you do me and my wife income together, we're gonna make more on that. We won't qualify for the married. You know, I think it's 174,000. Let's say we married, okay? Zero, because we don't have any kids. Say for instance, we made 175,000. Let's see what happened. Zero. 174,000. Let's see. Zero. So if we made 173,000, we get $50. So if we make over $174,000, we're out of luck. And our son's in college, so we can't claim him. He's 21. So we got to adopt some kids. Maybe we'll adopt a couple of kids. We'll get $1,200. But there you go. So you can figure out, and I will put this calculator here in the link in the description. I'll put it in the description so you can click on it and enter your information. And that'll let you know how much money you're going to get back. And it's like I said, some people already got their checks today. So if this video helps, subscribe to my channel. And thank you and have a great day. Don't forget to subscribe, like, turn on your notifications, and share this video. Also leave comments. Thanks for watching Welding and Stuff.